Big sky, bigger kites. Part photographer, part confused tourist, trying to stretch 36 frames through Balinese fever dream. There are places in the world where the sky isn't just the sky, it's a gallery. A canvas painted by wind, tradition, and some seriously ambitious kite builders. Welcome to Bali's Rare Angon Kite Festival, where culture flies, literally. With me, myself, and this little guy right here. Nothing happens here until it does. I'm Dikka, and this is Afidick. The Olympus Infinity Zoom 80 point-and-shoot film camera. Fits in your pocket, shoots like a sniper. Perfect for picking up airborne kites without ever leaving your beach mat. One roll, 36 shots. A digital detox with a 36 frame leash. You walk slower, look closer, shoot less, and somehow you get more. Let's hit the skies and see what this little thing can do. This trip's easy. A short scooter ride from home, wind in my face, sunscreen in my eyes. Sanur is the kind of place that feels like a soft exhale, a little slower, a little warmer, where mornings stretch long and salty. Mertasari Beach. Usually, it's slow mornings and coconuts hacked open with love. But once a year, the gods get a party. Kite crews roll in like rock bands. Flags flying, monsters stitched from memory. The sky, a war zone of wonder. I didn't just come for the kites. I came for the people who built them. For the stories woven into the cloth, the rituals buried beneath the sand, and the way the island looks when every eye is turned towards the sky. This isn't just a festival. It's a love letter to the wind. Shooting with a zoom lens. Shooting with a zoom lens is like sniper training. Step 1, control your breath. Step 2, don't panic. Hold your breath, steady your stance, then fire that frame like it owes you money. It's less about peace and more about presence. not spying if it's sentimental. You just happen to shoot feelings from 20 feet away. And let's be honest, telephoto lenses are also great when you're introverted and scared of human interaction, right? There are bamboo structures here that defy physics, teenagers in sarongs acting like seasoned pilots, and uncles yelling instructions like they're directing traffic in the afterlife.
Halo, boleh iseng foto? Oke, 1, 2, 3. Asik. Keren, keren. Oke, siap. 1, 2, 3. Asik, makasih ya.
That's it, 36 shots.
Next episode.
Want to take a guess?
New York City.
We're shooting the street photography capital of the world with 3 tiny prime lenses. Because carrying a giant zoom is basically like microwaving a steak.
Keep shooting. Remember to live between the frames. I'm Dikka. This is Sana Sini. Thanks for watching. Peace.